everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last did a video. A lot has happened since then, but I figured I'd hop on today and just do a quick review of this Revlon. I don't even know if it has a proper name, but this Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer. It's like a round brush. Spoiler, I really like this. But I figured I'd just do a quick demo and kind of walk you through what I like about it and go from there. So, obviously my hair is damp. I just took it out of a towel wrap. So it's quite damp, it's quite knotted, but I did wash it, so I'm also going to show you how I detangle my hair. So let's just jump right in. I start typically with this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. This is probably my third or fourth bottle of this. I really like it for detangling your hair. The one thing I will say is it has a very strong scent, kind of salon style scent. It's just very intense for at home, not kind of what you would expect. I don't love the scent, but I do find that this does an excellent and very quick job at detangling my hair. So I'm probably just going to speed through this part, so let's go. Okay, so now my hair is brushed, detangled. I am gonna go in with this quick dry blowout serum by Drybar as well. I've only been using this recently, so this is the first time I've purchased this, but so far I actually do really like this, and I do feel like it gives me a nice smooth finish. And it does also have some heat protectant in it. So just put a couple pumps in my hand, and I'm just gonna quickly finger comb it through a little. This is also a heat protectant as well, so plenty of protection for your hair. A lot of people watching obviously wouldn't know, but I've had a bit of a story in getting my hair to be long and healthy. It's taken several years, to say the least. I've worked with a really good stylist who essentially has helped coach me into getting my hair to be healthy, one, and then growing it out and keeping it as healthy as possible. So I have made huge waves, huge progress with my hair. It was longer than this and all fried. So it's a long process for cutting it off and growing it back out. And then before I go in with the dryer, I am gonna use this Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Go Big treatment. It does help volumize your hair. Yeah, I typically just spray it kind of around the roots when I use it. I don't use it every time, but I'm feeling it today, so we're gonna do that. I'm feeling like I could use some volume. I'm just gonna do one final brush through, make sure everything's kind of locked in there, distributed. Okay, and what I typically do, so I have, I'm not sure how clearly this is, I know my camera's really shitty, so I have quite fine hair, but I do have quite a bit of it. So it's not thick, but I do have lots of strands. So it kind of does help fill out my hair by having so many strands. So I'm just gonna, again, like I did when I brushed it, divide it into a section and kind of put up the top part. And I'm probably gonna just speed through this so you don't have to sit here and watch, but this should help give you at least a demo of how this beauty works. Let's go. Okay, this is the finished product. My hair's like, it's dry. I'm not sure how this picks up on camera, but like it feels so soft, so smooth. It's like I went and got my hair blown out. I mean, you can put more time into it if you want, but this was just me doing it pretty quickly. This is kind of my everyday go-to. My hair will not naturally dry like this at all. It will not look like this. It looks pretty matted and not smooth when it dries naturally, or just air dries. So I usually do have to use something to kind of help it dry, but I'm like, oh, it's just so nice. This was actually recommended to me from a girl I work with. She actually has quite curly hair, so she uses it to actually smooth out her hair. So as you saw, I was pretty much going from the inside out to try to add volume because my hair is quite flat. Where she'll use it and she'll actually go from the outside in to help smooth her hair. So it definitely, like, this is now, she recommended it to people at work, so it's kind of gone through the office. Hi guys, sorry, just me from the future. I realized my thing stopped recording, so I'm just gonna finish this video here. It's the next day, so me from the future. What I was saying is that I just think like this hair dryer has gone through my office. Everyone has been pleased and happy with it. for the price, I just think it's such a great like gift idea. It's such a good investment. I've had mine, like I said, for about over a year now, and I've had no issues. And yeah, I would definitely recommend. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you're here, subscribe. Why not? I would really appreciate it.